Hi guys, welcome back, and today again we have Dr. Kriti over here.
Hello.
And, hi. And we are planning to do a nice smoky blue eye look which Kathleen Lights have done with her Dream St Colourpop palette. And I hope it turns out well, just like us.
That's gonna be a lot more makeup than anyways wear, so do your thing, girl.
But this palette is really amazing, guys. It's so pigmented. It is her palette. I might steal it in the end of the video. I'm not sure about it. Let's see. Okay, let's get into the video fast.
Yes, let's do it.
Okay, so guys, I've done one side of a eye. Now I'm going to do the other side, and I'll be using this MAC palette for priming eyes.
For some reason I'm very nervous right now, but we're gonna get past it.
Why are you nervous? Okay, now I'm using this shade from Kathleen Lights palette, and I'll be applying the outer corner. So I have done the other eye, and I hope it turned out well, and I hope you liked it, girl. Did you like it?
Yes. But then I was paid to also say so. My English is becoming gibberish.
I'm using this shade only in the outer corner. This is the same look which even Kathleen Lights did. I'm just doing the replica of the same look. Now taking the darker shade, this shade, and only in the outer corner. So next we are cutting the crease using this stamp which I got it from wish.com. So I have just applied concealer over one side, and I'll be just stamping. Can you just turn this side?
Yeah.
So it has come out. Now upon this, using any flat brush, and I'm taking this blue shade, which is the highlight shade, and I'll be applying all over the lid. Instead of using a brush, I would like to go with my hands. And now taking this darker shade and applying it only in the outer piece. And now going back again with the first shade, I'll be again defining the crease. So after doing this, I'll be using L'Oreal eyeliner. So next we'll just dust off all the eyeshadow which is at the bottom. She has already moisturized her face, so next we'll be going with this Smashbox primer. And next I'll be using this foundation for her.
This is very sticky though.
Yeah. This is the Loreal infallible. So using a beauty blender, I'm just buffing.
I have to tell I love makeup being applied on me. I don't want to do it myself, but if you could do this every day, you're welcome to do my makeup every day.
I can understand.
Yes. Did you check out Karina's wedding look in We Raise the Wedding?
I know, it's so pretty, right?
I want that.
So natural.
I know. Like if I ever get married, that's gonna be my wedding look.
Seriously, ever get married?
Yes.
Okay.
We're gonna go with that.
Okay, next is concealer. For concealer, I'm using Colourpop concealer in the shade Medium Dark 32. And using the same beauty blender, I'm buffing it out. Okay, you can see up now.
God, beauty blender is really soft. The first time I'm like,
this is the first time you're applying beauty blender?
yep.
Using this?
Don't use a concealer, my friend.
I know, but still for foundation? Or you don't use
no foundation?
With the RCMA powder, I'm going to set all over her face. We're just baking it, you can see up.
Okay. That's my favorite though. Okay, I'm gonna see this.
Okay,
you have to see
next
this.
we are going with Contour blush and highlighter. Okay, then using this e.l.f. palette, So contour is done. Next blush. So just a peachy blush from MAC. Okay, now contour blush is over. Do you like contouring your nose?
I've never done that.
You have not done. You
But
should do that.
yes, I'm all for.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, you should turn towards me. And I got this brush. It's really nice. So this brush from Forward 21. Can you believe it?
It looks pretty though.
It looks really pretty and it's really nice for contouring.
I find all things pretty, even though they're no use to me.
I know.
Point, but I look like a supermodel now. I can deal with it.
Okay guys, we are using the Chanel 136 lipstick. Which gives out a very nice peachy look.
Okay, I'm gonna do my own thing and
Apply it with your hands.
yes.
Awesome. So we totally forgot to do your eyebrows. So now I'll be doing them. I'm just using the Colourpop eyebrow pencil. I'm not a huge fan of it,
But you're still using it on me.
obviously.
Thanks. Makes me feel really good.
I can see it's just straight.
Okay.
So we are literally done with the look, except for Fix Plus and loads of highlighter. Okay. So Fix Plus, I'm using the new MAC Gold Light. Okay. So guys, after Fix Plus, the last thing which you're doing is applying highlighter. I'm using this MAC highlighter. So guys, at last I did her makeup. I hope you like it.
I love it.
Seriously, and you've never done a glam makeup at all. Never. This is your first time?
Yeah.
Okay guys, let me know whether it's good or not. And please do like this video if you think it's good, and do comment.
Yes, do like, share, subscribe,
Comment.
everything.
Yes.
So,
And you girls can follow her on Instagram.
yes, I'm gonna post pictures from my trip to Australia. Though it's gonna be 2-year long trip, but deal with it.
Okay guys.
Bye bye.
Bye. See you soon.